one of the cruel things about the age of Instagram, and this has always existed, but it's become even crueler than it used to be, is the burden of beauty. Raise your hands if you have looked at other people's images on Instagram or any other social media and felt sad about your own body. Raise your hand if you have felt negative about your own body after looking at others. So many hands up. The two guests I'm about to introduce are very special. One, at your age, used to feel like you, and then she converted that into an entire ocean of positive energy. Today, she's a celebrity influencer for body positivity. Opening the doors for the conversation on busting the beauty myth is Sakshi Sindhwani. And And the young girl I'm going to introduce here, many of you would have read her story. She was a school board topper in Uttar Pradesh. Her name is Prachi. And जब इन्होंने टॉप किया तो इनको congratulations नहीं मिली, इनको सवाल मिले कि आपके फेस पे facial hair क्यों है? And she was trolled in the worst possible way. There was a private company, the Bombay Shaving Company, that took out an ad using her image without her consent. Aapki umar kya hai?
Now I'm 16 years old.
16-year-old, and at 15 she had to go through this. So I'm going to ask you to join Sakshi here. Baithiye. And I'm actually just going to sit with you all here. Hai na? So Sakshi, actually if I ask you to turn around a bit so they can see you, I'll come here only. Main yahi aati hu, so we can all see each other. Okay, Sakshi, you are a friend of the festival. It is absolutely superb to see you again. Let's start with you. I put a question to the audience and I'm going to do it again because I want you to see the number of hands that went up. If you have seen other people's images on social media and not felt good about your own body, please raise your hand. Okay? See the hands. Keep the hands up so our camera can get how many hands. And look up there. I just saw there's a whole full hall up there as well, and everybody there is raising their hand. And that's amazing. And what's interesting is the number of boys also raised their hands. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe the beauty myth and the burden of beauty is now hitting men as well. Yeah. Sakshi, I think it's important for you to tell them that while they know you as this glamorous, super successful celebrity influencer who is an advocate for body positivity, when you were younger, it wasn't like that.
No.
And I saw one of your videos on your Instagram feed which actually explained that aisa nahi hota. I wasn't born cheerful. I wasn't born loving myself.
Yeah.
Do you remember what you used to feel when you were in school or college before you got all this positive energy?
I mean, honestly, it's going to get a bit dark if I talk about it. But
please.
When I was 14, 15, I don't remember being all that happy. And it's really like, sometimes I look at myself in the mirror now and I can't imagine that this is me. Because I never felt like, I feel like I'm living a fantasy or a dream because like growing up, I didn't think that that was possible. And that was really, really difficult because I would go in the washroom, itna roi main because of what?
Kyun rote the aap?
Because my arms were jiggly. I just remember like my arms were jiggly and that is why I used to cry because other girls' arms used to not look like that.
Yeah.
Or their tummies used to not show in the skirt, the high-waisted skirt that, you know, we used to wear in school.
Yeah.
And that was like my battle. And not just that, it's also when you're fat, your whole personality is about you being fat. They couldn't see that I was excelling in debates, I was excelling in dancing. People used to hate the fact that I used to dance because a big body dancing was just such a joke. And growing up with that mindset that my whole personality and my whole being is that, not just in school but also at home, was quite a challenge.
And when you say that you were not happy or a bathroom mein jaake roti thi, what did that transform into? Did you stop making friends? Did you start falling back in studies? Did you seek therapy? How did you deal with it?
I think I became mean.
Mean.
Yeah, I think I became mean because I was so mean to myself. I shut myself off, and to some capacity I became really possessive and really insecure. So like my best friends are my best friends. They can't talk to other people because what if they go and they never like me back? I had such insecurity, and I don't say like I was a mean girl. I was just mean in a way that I was so insecure. Mostly mean to myself, not to other people. And that's what it did. And it took a long time to find kindness in myself and humanity in myself. You know, empathy, we talk about empathy so much. We are like, I don't think a lot of us realize we are the least empathetic towards ourselves.
Yeah. This trauma, you know, we have cases of eating disorders now very prevalent among
I
young.
had one.
You had one?
Yes.
What would happen?
It was really, really scary because I lost a lot of weight around when I was in 10th grade because I had dengue. And I lost a lot of weight because of an illness. And when I went back to school, everybody celebrated me. I didn't know what that felt like, being celebrated in any way. Like my principal called me. Can you imagine a young girl who's never called by the principal, no matter how many achievements she's doing academically, is called by the principal to ask, Sakshi, how did you lose all that weight? I mean, it was not wrong from her end, but it was just like, oh my God, finally the principal is giving me the recognition because
So you
I've
lose
lost
weight because of dengue, and then you develop an eating disorder.
Yes.
What was
And
it?
and I
Bulimia,
wouldn't eat.
anorexia? What was
Yeah,
it?
I was bulimic.
So you would throw up your food.
Yes, I would throw up my food.
You
and
would put
I
a
became,
finger in and throw up your food.
Yes, exactly that. And my parents didn't know about it.
And then?
And I got to know about bulimia. Either way, I didn't know that was bulimia. I just came across an article online. That time there were no Instagram videos.
How
whatever.
old were you when you were throwing your food up?
I was 13 or 14 years old.
Gosh.
I was maybe a year younger to her.
But you didn't give up on life, or were there those dark thoughts also?
Also those dark thoughts, and they're all written in my diary. It's really like, I've never spoken about them, but like, it's literally I still have that diary where I've written down those thoughts that
You contemplated.
my life is so meaningless because I'm not pretty.
So you had suicidal thoughts?
Yeah,
Thank you for sharing that. Yeah, I know it's not easy to share that.
it's not.
But it ends differently, and we'll come to that in a moment. But Prachi. Prachi was the UP board topper for class 10. फिर जहाँ पे everyone should have been congratulating you, they were mean to you for some hair. हम सब थ्रेडिंग वेडिंग कराते हैं, ब्लीच कराते हैं, सब कराते हैं, पर आपके साथ इतना मीननेस था. क्या हुआ प्राची? व्हाट हैपेंड?
जब मेरा 10th का एग्ज़ाम बोर्ड रिज़ल्ट आउट हुआ तो फिर मुझे इसके पहले जब मैं पढ़ती थी तो मेरे टीचर्स, मेरे फ्रेंड्स कभी इस चीज़ पर मैंने खुद नोटिस नहीं किया आफ्टर रिज़ल्ट. तो फिर बाद में मुझे जब रिज़ल्ट निकला उसके बाद भी मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि लोग इसके बारे में कहेंगे. कभी टीचर्स ने, कभी क्लास में प्रिंसिपल ने कभी भी इसके बारे में मुझे कभी कुछ नहीं कहा. सो बाद में जब मैं रात में घर वापस आई वहाँ स्कूल से, तो बाद में मुझे पता चला लोग मुझे ट्रोल कर रहे हैं. बट जिन लोगों ने मुझे ट्रोल किया मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा हुआ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लोगों से मिलने का मौका मिला. और इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी एंड शायद मैं आज यहाँ पर उन लोगों की वजह से ही बैठी हूँ क्योंकि शायद पिछली बार भी मेरे स्कूल से 10 टॉपर निकली थी, तो शायद मुझे लोगों ने इतना ट्रोल किया तो मैं अपने यूपी में फेमस हुई. बाद में मुझे लोग इंडिया लो पीपल भी जानने लगे और शायद मैं इसीलिए यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच वी द वुमेन प्रोग्राम एंड इनवाइटेड मी.
प्राची, आप तो ऐसे कह रही है कि जब वो ट्रोलिंग से आपको कुछ बुरा लगा ही नहीं, कुछ तो कभी नहीं लगा.
नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे देखो, आप बाहर निकलेंगे, अगर आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, अच्छा करेंगे तो भी लोग आपसे बोलेंगे ये तो फेम हो गई तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा बनने लगी हैं. ठीक, अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो तब भी आप लोगों कहेंगे इसको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है, कुछ करता ही नहीं है. ठीक, तो आप जो कर रहे हैं, जिन लोगों को कमियां निकालनी होती है वो आप में ज़रूर निकालेंगे। आप अच्छा करें या बुरा करें, आप अपने में अगर अच्छा कर रहे हैं बस आप सोचिए हाँ ये मेरे लिए ठीक है, और लोग कह रहे हैं तो उनको कहने दीजिए, क्योंकि लोगों का तो काम ही कहना है।
So Sakshi, clearly Prachi is a bit more sorted than you and me. But let's go back to Sakshi बता रही थी at a certain age उनको बहुत डार्क ख्याल आते थे कि जिंदगी जीने के लायक भी है या नहीं, देखो मेरी साइज ठीक नहीं है। कभी आपको कोई डार्क थॉट्स नहीं आए ना?
नहीं, मुझे कभी नहीं है।
Oh wow!
एब्सोल्युटली मैंने कभी इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं, बट मुझे ये पता था कि हाँ मेरे हेयर निकल रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए मैं अपना पहले 10th कर लेती हूँ, फिर 12th कर लेती हूँ। आफ्टर स्कूलिंग मैं अपना, क्योंकि ये हेयर जो होते हैं आप इसको तुरंत निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन आप 10th और 12th एग्ज़ाम दोबारा नहीं दे सकते हैं।
Okay, so let's start with Sakshi and then we'll come back to Prachi. How did you convert that moment of negativity into positivity, and not just positivity? Sakshi today, I would call her not just an advocate for body positivity, but an entrepreneur. She's a very, very successful woman entrepreneur in the content creation space. How did that happen for you? What conversion from a person, from a young girl hiding in the loo, putting her finger in her throat, throwing up her food because she wants to be thin, to this Sakshi Sindwani, whose wedding, oh by the way, she just got married, let's congratulate her, and has lovely photographs with her mother. Let's talk a little bit about mommies. How did it all happen? Prachi's giving you the mic.
I honestly, I'll just tell you something, and I'll look you in the eye and tell you, listen, life is actually way too short to second guess yourself.
Yeah.
It is way too short to think that you are not good enough because instead of a 95, you got in a 93 or even a 70. And the choices that you make in your life right now don't determine the rest of your life. If I were to think that because I did what I did to harm myself when I was 16 years old or 15 years old, and that would determine my whole life, I would not be here, and I don't guess myself, and I am, self-confidence is not that far-fetched. I actually would like to tell you that. Yeah. Insecurities don't need to determine your entire life. Just because you feel so about whatever, your relationships, your friendships, your body, your skin, the acne on your face or the dark circles under your eyes, it does not matter in the long run. You are so much more than that, and I don't just say it, I mean it with every cell in my body. I cannot begin
Sakshi, thank you. And again, thank you for sharing those dark thoughts. It's not easy for a celebrity to get up on stage and talk about bulimia, suicidal thoughts. But my question to you is, you said initially, your parents didn't know. When they got to know, were they supportive? What happened? Your mother's everywhere on your Instagram feed.
They would come to know through this.
Really? Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm not. I will have that conversation with them, and then they will have that conversation with other parents, and somebody's life will change.
How did you convert the negativity into who you are today?
I think it takes support system. I think your parents do play a huge role in that. I was very lucky that I found my husband, now husband, then boyfriend, who supported me, and he didn't like me or love me for my looks or my outer appearance. He loved me for my heart. Find the guys now, when you're young. I'm telling you, that's the hack for it. If you're in school, it doesn't matter.
And if you
find
don't find the guy, at least don't find the wrong one.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah. And honestly, being alone is better than being with the wrong person.
Correct. Now you're talking about support systems. I think we have Prachi's support system also here. Prachi ki mummy ji kahan hai bhai? No, I need to talk to Prachi's mother. Is she here? Prachi ki mummy. And Prachi's school principal. If I can have him up on stage also. Please. आप यहाँ आइए, मम्मी जी यहाँ आइए, एंड प्रिंसिपल हियर प्लीज. हाँ जी. एक बेटी को इतना कॉन्फिडेंट बनाने में दम लगता है. जब ये ट्रोलिंग हुई तो आपने प्राची को क्या बोला?
मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं है, ये तो लोगों का काम है कहना, और तुम किसी बात की चिंता मत करो. हम लोगों ने कभी ये सोचा ही नहीं कि इसके लिए ट्रोलिंग करेंगे लोग. अब ये इसका रिजल्ट निकला, उसके बाद लोग ट्रोलिंग करने लगे, तो हमने कहा कोई बात नहीं, हम लोगों को कोई टेंशन नहीं थी.
आपने नहीं कहा कि चलो बाल हटाते हैं?
नहीं, हमने कहा कि ये पढ़ाई अपनी इधर कर लो, फिर बाद में करवाएंगे इसका ट्रीटमेंट जो है. तो उसके पहले ही लोग ट्रोल करने लगे.
और इस ट्रोलिंग में बॉम्बे शेविंग कंपनी पुट आउट एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट बेसिकली सेलिंग देयर ओन प्रोडक्ट टू से दिस इज हाउ यू रिमूव हेयर. दिस इज हाउ बिजार दीज कॉन्वर्सेशंस कैन बी. सर, आप स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल थे जहाँ पे प्राची ने टॉप किया. आपका नाम?
माय नेम इज़ वागीश.
ओके, वागेश भाई इज ऑल्सो अ पोएट, मैंने सुना है. तो इस फर्स्टली बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज बिकॉज यू नीड मेन एज allies. You need men as allies, and we have many men in this audience who are allies. Vagesh ji, जब प्राची के साथ ये हुआ ना, she was your star student, but yet she was being trolled. तो आपको क्या लगा?
मुझे ये लगा कि शायद जो लोग कर रहे थे, जैसा उसने बताया ना कि वो बहुत फेमस हो गई, तो वो इंटरव्यूज़ करना नहीं चाह रही थी, तो मुझे काफ़ी फेम मिला उसके चलते. मुझे 2-3 इंटरव्यूज़ करने को मिल गए. तो इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज कि चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए, बट वो होती है. और आप सबको नहीं सिखा सकते, सबको नहीं बता सकते कि कैसे लोगों को ट्रोल नहीं करना है या करना है. तो वो इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट है, आपने सबने सुना है अभी, और मुझे बहुत कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है.
But I know you write poetry. If you had a poem for this moment, what would it be? या कोई शेर हो इस?
I don't write for, I have not written for this moment actually. मुझे पता नहीं था ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा यहाँ. मैं बेसिकली अगर if I get a cheer from your end कि कुछ सुनना चाहते हो आप, तो मैंने कुछ लिखा है. आप अगर पोएम सुनते हो तो मैं सुनाता हूँ, सुनिए. बेसिकली यंग बॉडीज़ हैं, तो बीइंग अ यंग बॉडी एज वेल, मैं कुछ सुनाना चाहता हूँ, आप सब सुनिए. एंड फेब इज ऑन द वे, फरवरी आ रहा है, तो मैं कुछ सुनाता हूँ, सुनिए. कि देख एक टक चहकना तुम्हारे लिए. अगर वो तुम्हारे लिए आप साथ गाएंगे तो बड़ा मज़ा आएगा. कि देख एक टक चहकना तुम्हारे लिए, आँख रह रहे छलकना तुम्हारे लिए. दूर हो तुम तो तकिए के संग बैठकर, दूर हो तुम तो टेढ़ी के संग बैठकर, उससे कसकर चिपकना तुम्हारे लिए, उससे कसकर चिपकना तुम्हारे लिए. जिंदगी की कहानी तुम्हारे लिए, और आँखों का पानी तुम्हारे लिए. साथ रहकर बटोरी जो हमने कभी, संग रहकर बटोरी जो हमने कभी, सारी खुशियाँ लुटानी तुम्हारे लिए, सारी खुशियाँ लुटानी तुम्हारे लिए. थैंक यू.
Thank you. I'm going to now request everybody to stand, if we can, because I want these two ladies, these beautiful women, Sakshi and Prachi, to be here. Mummy ji can come on my right side, because we want to honor them. But I want to ask both of them, Sakshi, what would you say to all the young girls here?
Be fearless. Yeah, that's it.
Prachi, what next? सपना क्या है?
First of all, I want to become a good person in my life, and after that, I cleared my entrance exam, and I want to become. And my father says that to me, you become in your life what you want to do.
So what is that? पापा ने कहा कि जो करना चाहो करो.
Yeah.
What is that? 2-3 चीजें भी हो सकती हैं.
माई ड्रीम्स, मेरे बहुत सारे ड्रीम्स हैं, बट उसमें मैं 2-3 मैं अभी फिल्म नहीं करना चाहती।
ओके जो लड़कियां यहाँ थी जिन्होंने हाथ उठाया कि उनको अपनी फेस नहीं अच्छी लगती, वो दूसरों की फेसेस देखती हैं, फिल्टर्ड फोटोग्राफ्स देखती हैं और उनको नहीं अच्छा लगता, उनको आप क्या कहेंगी?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जैसे आपको गॉड ने क्रिएट किया है आप तो वैसे बनेंगे ना, और आपको जैसा गॉड ने बना दिया वो अच्छा है। आप दूसरों को देखिए, कोई आपको बेगर है तो वो आप सब घर घर जा कर के उसको कुछ मांगना होता, आपको नहीं, आपके पास पैर है, आपके पास हाथ है, आपके पास दिमाग है, आपके पास सब कुछ है, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
और आपको 2 मिनट का भी फीलिंग बैड नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, बस थोड़ा सा हुआ कि हाँ शायद लोगों ने इसे अच्छा बजट टॉप ना आती तो इतना कुछ भी नहीं मिलता और आगे तो बाद में फिर मैंने सोचा ये तो लोग तो कहते ही रहेंगे कि आप अच्छा भी कुछ भी करते हैं, तो तभी भी आप लोग को कहते हैं कि ऐसा है, और दैट्स
You don't care.
या आई डोंट केयर।
I mean, this is so surprising to me because it's you guys, like this younger generation who thinks like that, and it makes me so proud. I think it's the power of our awareness, women feeling empowered, women feeling like they have a voice, thanks to also digital media, social media, कि हमें इतनी awareness है इन चीज़ों के बारे में, क्योंकि ये conversation जो आप कर रहे हो ना, मेरे को अब करनी आई है, and I'm 29 years old.
One of the things we could think is that we open doors for women who come after. तो हमने इतनी लड़ाई की, तो आज प्राची जैसी लड़कियां खड़े होके कह सकती हैं, I don't care. Can we hear a big I don't care from the audience? I'll at a count of 3. 3, 2, 1. I don't care. Fabulous. I want to now bring out our next award from us at the We the Women team. First, we like to honor Sakshi. If I can have the award here for Sakshi. And here we go. Thank you for really leading such an important conversation. Let's hear it for Sakshi Sindwani. And now I would like to call one of our partners on stage, Bajaj. You've seen the Chetak scooters out there, so you know that Bajaj is one of our partners. If I can have Prateek on stage, please. We have many male allies on the stage today, and we are welcoming one more. Thank you, Prateek, and thank you for partnering this festival. You heard the amazing women on stage. I would like you to request you to honor Prachi Nigam. Let's hear it. Come. Let's please have a little photograph here, and can I have the loudest applause? And can we do an I don't care one more time, please? 3, 2, 1. I don't care. Fabulous. Thank you so much, everybody.